Hi, I'm Lucy from Jackson Woodturners and I'm here today with 3 of my top cleaning tips for your stair parts. First, glass. I would always recommend using a window or glass cleaner on your glass, and with my favourite, a microfiber cloth. Don't overspray. A little of the glass cleaner goes a long way, and this nice lint-free cloth will give you a smear-free shine. Your metal products, do not, and I mean do not, put anything wet, any chemicals on that metal, because it would tarnish it. It might pull off any plating on it. So just use a dry, lint-free cloth, something like this microfiber cloth, just to give it a nice shine. We don't want to put anything abrasive on it. And your woodwork. It's all nicely done, it's nicely finished, but sometimes it might just look a little bit tired, or if it's white, it might have just got a little bit dirty. So, using, yet again, a lint-free cloth and a bit of mild detergent, just mix that in with some nice warm water. Use that with the cloth in circular motions on your paint or woodwork, and this will just remove any dark stains, any bits of muck that's come off your hands, and then use yet again a nice dry soft cloth just to dry anything over that you've made wet. I hope you find my 3 tips helpful. See you soon.